in the church, we used to really focus our social action work on, conducting relief services for those who are immediately in need, especially in situations of disaster. But more and more we're realizing that we cannot stay on that level only for social action. And in most of the local churches of Asia, social action now includes community development and action for social transformation by understanding, first of all, the root causes of poverty. The Lord Jesus said, you have to be innocent as doves, but you have to be clever as serpents as well. So it takes a lot of wisdom also to understand what are the structures that are causing the huge disparities in our societies. Issues of justice, peace, and integrity of creation are part of social action now in the mindset of the local churches in Asia.